Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Smartsheet to Microsoft Power BI detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the sheet you'd like to connect to Microsoft Power BI. Select the File menu at the top left corner of the Smartsheet interface. From the drop-down, choose the Export option. Click on Export to Excel to download your sheet as an Excel file. After the file is downloaded, open Microsoft Power BI Desktop. In Power BI, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Select Get Data and choose Excel from the options presented. Browse your computer to find the Excel file you just downloaded from Smartsheet. Click on the file to select it and then press Open. Power BI will select the sheet that contains the data you want to import. Click the Load button to import the selected data into Power BI. Once the data is loaded, you'll see it in the Fields pane on the right side. Now, you can start building your reports by dragging fields into the report canvas. If you want to set up a live connection, return to Smartsheet. In Smartsheet, select the Share button at the top right corner. Enter the email of the user you want to share the sheet with, making sure they have access. Next, return to Power BI. On the Home tab, click Get Data again. This time, choose Web from the options. In the URL field, enter the Smartsheet API endpoint for your specific sheet. You might need to generate an API key from Smartsheet for authentication. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary authentication. After authentication, your Smartsheet data will be connected to Power BI. Now you can create interactive dashboards that automatically refresh data from Smartsheet. Adjust settings as necessary to ensure your reports reflect the latest data. Remember to save your Power BI report frequently to avoid losing progress. Finally, publish your report to the Power BI service for easier sharing and access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.